Good morning. Today we will learn subject maths, topic shapes, lines and shadows. Before going to our exercise, first we shall go through the video.
About many shapes. You know how each shape looks like. You should also know the name of each shape. A sphere looks like this. This shape is called a cylinder. See it carefully. Look for two shapes that form a cylinder. Can you see a rectangle and two circles at its two ends? A cube looks like this. You can keep two squares, one above the other, and join the corners to get a cube. Isn't it easy? A cone looks like this. What two shapes can you see in this? Correct. A triangle and a circle. And this shape is called cuboid. You can make a cuboid by keeping two rectangles, one above the other, and joining the corners. This looks somewhat similar to a cube, isn't it? Let us see if we can recollect the names of these shapes. What is the name of this shape? You are correct. It is a cone. How does a sphere look like? Yes, a sphere looks like this. Help Mittu and Toto to answer the questions on shapes and their names.
Now we will go to next term, book 2, term 1, book A. Open page number 3. First question, how many corners does each shape in the given image have? Square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. Triangle, 3 corners. Circle has no corners. Rectangle, 4 corners. Second question, name these shapes. Tick right the one that slide and cross the ones that roll. Which shape is this, children? Cube. Does cube slide or roll? Yes, it slide. Then tick. Is it sphere? Yes, it rolls because it have curve. So cross. Cuboid. It slide. Then tick. Now let us try 1.1. First question. Write the number of flat and curved face for the given shapes. Flat face. Is it flat face? Yes. So 1 flat face. Curved face. How many curved face? 1. So dice. Flat face, it has 6 flat face. And curved face, does it has curved face? No. Then 0 curved face. Cylinder. Flat face. How many flat face it has? 2. 1, 2. Curved face, 1. Sphere. Does it have flat face? No. So 0. Curved face, 1. Second question. The table shows a few objects. Tick right the ones that roll as well as slide. Does it roll and slide? Yes. then tick. Does it roll? No. Does it roll? No. Does it roll as well as slide? Yes, then tick. Does it roll as well as slide? Yes, then tick. Does it roll? No. Does it slide as well as roll? Yes, then tick. Third question, which of these objects is not similar to the other three? Why? Yes, cuboid. No, it is cube because it has 6 flat faces and corners. Fourth question, Serena has 2 solid shapes with 6 flat faces each. Both the shapes are different. Name the 2 shapes. Cube and cuboid. Flat shapes. Before going to our exercise, let us go through the video.
We can observe a few figures formed with slides. These parts of the showcase are in the shape of a square and a rectangle. A square shape can also be obtained by tracing. Let us take a box in the shape of a cube and trace one of its faces on a sheet of paper. We find that the shape drawn is a square. We can make a square using 4 pencils. Take 4 pencils and form a square as shown. Now, let us learn some properties of a square. The figure is a square A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D are the corners of the square. AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the square. The line joining the opposite corners of a square is called the diagonal of a square. AC and BD are the lines joining the opposite corners A, C and B, D respectively. So AC and BD are the diagonals of the square ABCD. You can notice that all sides of a square are equal in length, that is, AB, BC, CD and DA are equal in length. Also, the diagonals of a square are equal in length, that is, AC and BD are equal. So, a square has 4 sides, 4 corners and 2 diagonals. Similarly, a rectangle is obtained by tracing an object in the shape of a cuboid. Take an object in the shape of a cuboid and trace one of its faces on a sheet of paper. We observe that the figure drawn is a rectangle. We can also form a rectangle using 6 pencils as shown. Now, let us learn some properties of a rectangle. The figure shown is a rectangle P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R and S are the corners of the rectangle. PQ, QR, RS and SP are the sides of the rectangle. We can observe that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That is, PQ and RS are equal. Similarly, QR and SP are equal. PR and QS are the lines joining the opposite vertices P, R and S, Q respectively. They are the diagonals of the rectangle. Similar to a square, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So, the diagonals PR and QS are equal. Let us now take an object in the shape of a cylinder and trace its flat face on a sheet of paper. We observe that a round-shaped flat shape is obtained and it is called a circle. We can notice that a circle has no sides and no corners. Let us now trace the outline of a birthday cap. Place the cap with its curved face on a sheet of paper and trace it. What do we get? We get a three-sided flat shape called a triangle. The properties of a triangle are: it has three sides, it has three corners and no diagonals. Thus, we can trace the faces of the objects in the shape of solids and obtain flat shapes.
Let us try 1.2. First question, name the shapes that you get after tracing the faces of these objects. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Second question, the given picture is in the shape of rectangle. Can you make it a square? You can add or remove two matchsticks. So we are adding one matchstick to make two squares. Third question, look at this picture. Name the shapes and the number of sides and corner each has. Which shape is this? Rectangle. It has four sides and four corners. Circle. It has no sides, no corners. Square. It has four sides and four corners. Triangle. It has three sides and three corners. Fourth question. Write the number of diagonals of the shapes obtained by tracing. Chessboard. 2. A book. 2. Lines. Straight lines are three types: vertical or standing line, horizontal or sleeping line, slanting line. Now let us try 1.3. First question, look at the picture and answer the question. How many horizontal lines are there? 5. How many vertical lines are there? Yes, you guessed it right. 3. How many slanting lines are there? 5. Second question, draw a picture using different straight and curved lines in the given box, then write the number of lines of each type. Do it your own, children. Third question, I have no horizontal, vertical or slant lines. Which flat shape am I? Is it rectangle? No. Triangle? No. Is it circle? Yes. Circle has no horizontal, vertical or slanting line. Worksheet 1.E. Count and write the number of horizontal, vertical, curved and slanting lines in the given picture. Horizontal lines. There are 5 horizontal lines in the picture. Vertical line 4, slanting line 6, curved line 4. Children, open term 1 book B, page number 3. 1.1 More about solid shapes. First question, fill in the blanks to complete the description of these shapes. One has been done for you. A. The solid shape is cube. It has 6 flat faces. It will slide. Second one, this solid shape is a dash. Yes, you guessed it right. It is cylinder. It has flat face and curved face. It will roll and slide. This solid shape is sphere. It has curved face. It will roll. It doesn't have any flat face. This solid shape is cuboid. It has flat face. It will slide. Second question, write the names of the solid shapes formed by performing these activities in the space provided. Also, write the number of faces of the shape formed. A. Place some notebooks of same size on the top of another shape. So, when you place notebooks of same size, it forms a cuboid. So, shape cuboid. Number of faces 6. Stack some rupees 5 coins on one top of another. Shaped circle. The number of faces 1. 1.2 flat shapes. First question. Find 5 things at home that you can trace to get the given shapes. Do it your own, children. Second question. Find the clues and answer the question. Tanya, look at a tabletop. It has 4 sides. 2 sides are short and 2 are long. The opposite sides are equal. What is this shape? Yes, it is rectangle. Tia cuts out a shape from a sheet of paper. The shape has 4 sides. How many sides? 4 sides. All sides of these shapes are equal. What is this shape? Square. On the way to the school, Bridgie sees a signboard. It has 3 sides. What is this shape? Triangle. How many corners does triangle have? 3. Tia makes a face using paper. She makes a flat shape. It has no sides and no corner. What is this shape? We have already learned it. It is circle. 1.3 Lines. First question. Look at the images and tick right the correct option. What has been done for you? Noodles. It, it is a curved line. It doesn't have straight line. Flat television screen. It has straight lines. Mobile phone. It has straight lines. Railway track. It has straight and curved lines. Second question. Correct the dots with the straight and curved lines to complete the picture. So, we have connected and we have completed the picture. Third question. Count the total number of slanting, horizontal and vertical lines in the figure. Number of slanting lines. There are plenty of slanting lines. So, there are 20 slanting lines. Number of horizontal lines. There are 3 horizontal lines. Number of vertical lines. 2 vertical lines. Practice well. Thank you and have a nice day.